that pussy we never.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you. I appreciate you for coming back to my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. And today I'm going to be reacting to Billie Eilish, Birds of a Feather. What else? Her face, her eyes are really ocean eyes. I'm sorry. Wow. What is dragging you? Like, what is dragging her? She's so pretty, like her face card can never decline. I hope y'all like this reaction. I love this song. I love the vocals on this. She's amazing. She's one of the best vocalists of our generation. I really hope you guys like this reaction, man. I'm out.
Okay, bye.
Comment, like and share, subscribe. Comment, like and share, subscribe.